Have you ever caught your mind drifting, replaying painful memories from the past, or panicking about a future that hasn't even happened yet? If so, you're not alone. Most of us check our phones 96 times a day, but spend less than 96 seconds actually living in the present moment. Today, we re-diving into the timeless wisdom of Dale Carnegie's classic, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. Now, this book is packed with powerful, life-changing truths that feel even more relevant today than when he wrote them. So grab your mental notebook, because together, we're uncovering the gems that can shift the way you think, feel, and live, starting right now. Carnegie teaches that worry is not just an annoying emotion, it's a driver. If you don't take control of it, it takes control of you. We fall into two traps: living in the past with regret and guilt, and living in the future with fear and worst-case scenarios. And while we're stuck in those places, we miss the only time that actually exists, right now. Carnegie reminds us, you can't live in yesterday's compartment, and you can't live in tomorrow's compartment. You can only live in today's. So how do you do that? Live in what Carnegie calls day-tight compartments. He borrowed this idea from Sir William Osler, a famous physician. Imagine your mind is like a ship with watertight rooms. If one room floods, you lock it off so the entire ship doesn't sink. This is how your thoughts should work too. Focus all your energy on the compartment labeled today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Just today, until bedtime. Carnegie shares the story of a widow whose life collapsed after her husband's death. She spiraled into depression and hopelessness, until she adopted the habit of living only until bedtime. One day at a time, one task at a time. Slowly, she came back to life. So, try this simple habit tonight. Before bed, write down 3 things that went well, no matter how small. You are training your brain to focus on the real, not the imagined. Carnegie also learned a 3-step method from the engineer Willis Carrier that can literally erase 90% of your fears. Step 1. Analyze the real situation, not the horror movie version your mind creates. Step 2. Accept the worst possible outcome. Truly accept it. This destroys fear's power. Improve the outcome. Once you accept the worst, you can start making the best actually happen. For example, instead of thinking, if I lose my job, I'll be devastated, you reframe it. The worst case, you find another job. The even better case, you might find a much better one. Acceptance frees your mind, and improvement moves you forward. It's critical to understand that worry is not harmless. In fact, it is medically dangerous. Carnegie cites research showing worry is linked to stomach ulcers, high blood pressure, insomnia, joint diseases, exhaustion, and a weakened immune system. My mind affects your body far more than people realize. And here, that's the shocking truth. Most of the things we worry about will never actually happen. We're literally damaging our health over illusions. So how do you stop the cycle? Remember the one-thought rule? Your mind can only hold one thought at a time. If your mind is busy, worry has no room to live. Keep yourself engaged. Plan, learn, create, move. Work on something meaningful. Fill your mind with purpose, and worry suffocates. As Carnegie says, worries are like burnt toast, frightening until you realize it's just smoke. Another powerful question to ask yourself is, what are the odds this thing I'm worrying about will actually happen? Usually the answer is almost 0. As a child, Carnegie feared thunderstorms, lightning, and being buried alive. Later in life, he laughed at how irrational those fears were. Most of our worries fall into the same category. If something can't be changed, accept it. If it can be changed, fix it. But don't sit in mental torture. Ultimately, this is all about switching to a happiness mindset. Carnegie teaches that happiness is a choice, not a condition. You can train your thoughts the same way you train your muscles. Here are some powerful shifts. Choose positivity over negativity. Let go of grudges. Drop expectations of gratitude, and count your blessings. Be yourself. Do one good deed every day. Rewrite criticism as a compliment. Stop waiting for life and start living. This is emotional self-defense. And if you're always feeling tired, listen closely. Many people think they're physically tired, but in reality, they're emotionally tired from overthinking. The psychiatrist J.A. Hadfield said, "Emotional worry, not physical work, causes most exhaustion." Carnegie suggests you rest regularly. Reduce exposure to your triggers, stretch, walk, and create downtime. Build a strong social circle and avoid boredom. A busy mind has no room for anxiety. So let's put this all together with a simple but powerful 5-day worry detox. Day 1. Tonight at 9 p.m. Say aloud, I have enough energy for today. Tomorrow can wait. Day 2. Use the formula, accept it, then improve it. Day 3. Call someone you love. Connection breaks anxiety spirals. It's Day 4. Choose a mantra like, I choose gratitude over complaints, and repeat it every time worry appears. In Day 5, in the morning, write 5 specific things you're grateful for, then do 1 act of kindness. This is how you become the confident, resilient, worry-free version of yourself. Dale Carnegie's lessons aren't just theories. They've helped millions of people reclaim their peace, and they can help you too. If this video gave you clarity, inspiration, or even one aha moment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. And let me know in the comments, which worry are you ready to let go of today? Thank you for watching, and remember, your life becomes lighter the moment you choose to live in the present.